This is the new SAKER Mini Chainsaw. He's killed a tree before because he's put one of my trees because he put a fire pit too close to a tree. Keep the tree healthier. Keep the tree healthier. Now this is what's called a plantation magnolia. And they grow big and grow out. Lots of times you'll see them down in South Carolina with Spanish moss growing on them. Okay, you need to come in and do the interior and some of those that's grown up.
No, I'll go later. I'm in the bank.
That should be enough.
Get a lot of them.
That should be enough. The one that I'm under?
Yep. Drop a tree on them.
You better not. About how far of a reach? I mean, you're standing on the ground. You're 5'7".
About 9 foot.
9 foot? Oh, okay.
That ought to trim it up before it's done.
Now, if you wanted to, like I said, some of this little stuff, you could just go ahead and take the battery off right here.
Yeah.
Now, if you wanted to, like I said, some of this little stuff, you could just go ahead and take the battery off right here.
Yeah. Unplug it.
Right, and then grab the battery from the end.
Grab the battery from the end.
Now, have you charged that battery yet?
Nope.
Does it have a meter where it's telling you how far? No, it's still fully charged. Okay, we gotta do a lot of trimming up. Yeah, cleaning up around the base. I like that it has this.
Longer bar.
Yeah, I started to say I like that it has a 6-inch bar. I mean, it weighs what, about 5 pounds, maybe 3 pounds. We've been impressed, very impressed with this. And sometimes you get these extension poles and they're like plastic, and this is pretty sturdy. Yeah, now we're waiting on other contractors that will pour the concrete, and then Randy gets to go back and do a lot of finish work, putting in doors and roll-up doors, and I don't think that's going to fit. And like I said, so far he's been very, very impressed. Handles very well. So, hope they're doing more of these. I know. And we'll do a comparison. Put the blue one and this one side by side. And I just do it that way. We'll do a video that way as well. If y'all have any questions on this, please let us know. If you have any comments or suggestions, we love hearing from you.